Take a moment to check out the 2018 Dodge Charger. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Dodge Charger, the powerful, high-performance muscle car with four-door convenience, technology that keeps you safe and connected, and surprising fuel efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Why miss out on performance just because you need four doors? Get into the Charger and drive.